Vaccines are one of the most powerful tools in modern medicine. They've saved millions of lives, reduced childhood mortality, and protected communities from deadly diseases. But how exactly do they work? And why are there so many different kinds of vaccines? Let's break it down. How do vaccines work? When a harmful virus or a bacteria enters your body, your immune system springs into action. It identifies the intruder, attacks it, and creates memory cells, which are special defenders that remember what the pathogen looks like. Next time the same germ shows up, your immune system destroys it faster, often before you even feel sick. And vaccines work by training your immune system to recognize a pathogen without actually causing the disease. Now let's explore the 6 different types of vaccines, each using a unique strategy to teach your body how to fight off these diseases. The first are live attenuated vaccines. These vaccines contain a weakened version of a live virus or bacteria. They're strong enough to trigger a solid immune response, but too weak to cause illness in healthy people. And because they mimic real infections, your immune system remembers them for a long time, often without needing booster shots. Some examples of these would be the measles vaccine, the mumps vaccine, and the rubella vaccine. The second type of vaccines are inactivated vaccines. Here, scientists take a live pathogen and inactivate it, or kill it. The dead pathogen can't cause disease, but your body still learns to fight it. These vaccines often need multiple doses in order to build strong protection. And a couple examples would be the polio and influenza vaccines. The third type of vaccine is the subunit vaccine. Instead of using the whole organism, subunit vaccines use just a piece, like a protein or sugar on the surface. There are 3 subtypes of this vaccine: polysaccharide vaccines, which target sugar coatings on bacteria, conjugate vaccines, which attach those sugars to proteins, making the immune response stronger, especially in kids under 2, and finally, protein based vaccines, which target specific proteins on viruses or bacteria, helping your body neutralize them. These types of vaccines can't make you sick, which makes them great for people who shouldn't get live vaccines, like young children. Some examples would be the Hib vaccine, the pneumococcal vaccine, the shingles vaccine, and hepatitis B vaccine. Now, the fourth type of vaccine is toxoid vaccines. Some diseases are dangerous not because of the bacteria themselves, but because of the toxins they release. Toxoid vaccines use inactivated toxins to teach your immune system to neutralize those poisons. A couple examples would be tetanus and diphtheria. Now, typically, booster shots are needed every 10 years or so. The fifth type of vaccines are called viral vector vaccines. These use a harmless virus as a delivery system. It brings genetic instructions to your cells, telling them to make the antigen, the target your immune system needs to learn. This results in a strong immune response, often with just one shot. A couple of examples would be Ebola and some COVID-19 vaccines. The final type of vaccine are the mRNA vaccines. mRNA vaccines are the newest vaccine technology and have already shown incredible results so far. Instead of using any part of the virus, they give your cells the genetic recipe for specific proteins. Your body makes the protein, identifies it as foreign, and builds defenses without ever encountering the actual virus. These types of vaccines are fast to develop and easy to adapt for new threats. And some examples would be the COVID-19 vaccine. Next are common misconceptions. Despite overwhelming evidence, vaccine myths still spread. So let's clear a few up. Vaccines cause autism. They don't. The original study suggesting this was retracted for being deeply flawed and having numerous mistakes. The next myth: it's better to get sick naturally. Vaccine preventable diseases can have serious complications, and vaccines give immunity without the risk. The next myth: there are microchips in COVID-19 vaccines. No, there aren't. Moving on to the next myth. You can get COVID from the vaccine. None of the approved vaccines contain live viruses. If someone gets sick shortly after the vaccination, it's usually because the body just hasn't built immunity yet. Finally, let's discuss why vaccines matter. Vaccines don't just protect individuals, they protect communities. Think of society as a machine with many cogs. Even if most are working, every missing cog reduces efficiency. When too many people skip vaccines, diseases spread more easily, putting vulnerable groups like babies, older adults, and those with weakened immune systems at risk. It's important we all know: protect yourself, protect others, and get vaccinated. If you found this helpful or educational, hit the like button and subscribe for more Science Explained. If you have any questions or comments, drop them down below. Thanks for watching.